Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Rick with LandAirSea, and I'm here today to talk about our latest tracking device, the 54 Real-Time Tracker. The 54 is the most versatile GPS tracking device that we have ever created. It can pinpoint location and speed with incredible accuracy, so you can keep track of your assets, vehicles, or any other object that you need to keep track of. It's also small enough to put in someone's purse, jacket, or pocket. The 54 was designed and manufactured right here in the United States. Assembly is done using our state-of-the-art laser welding technology. This process seals the device and makes it completely waterproof. Battery life has also been significantly improved on this new 54 design. The life of the battery on a single charge varies with the amount of movement, but on an average you will get anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks on a single charge. But like I said, it all depends on how much movement and how often you want the 54 to update its location. If you're using the 54 on a vehicle, there's many places you can put it. In the glove box, under the seat, in the rear pocket of the seats, the center console, just about anywhere. If you don't have access to the inside of the vehicle, another benefit of the 54 is the powerful built-in magnet. This allows you to place the 54 on the exterior of the car, including underneath it. To show you how strong this magnet is, this stainless steel stand weighs 10 pounds. And as you can see, the 54 can easily pick it up. And because it's completely waterproof, you don't have to worry about rain, sleet, or snow damaging your device. Tracking the 54 is easy using the LandAirSea Silver Cloud app. You simply log in and instantly see the location of the 54. The blue dot shows you your current location so you can see where you are in relationship to where the 54 is. When the subject is moving, you will also see it moving along the map with location updates as fast as every 3 seconds. You can touch the icon to get additional information, like when the subject is stopped at a particular location, the address of that location, and the battery life percentage on the 54. When you select the icon, you also have access to some really cool features: ShareSpot, InstaFence, and History. ShareSpot will allow you to text or email the real-time tracking to somebody else, so they can begin instantly tracking the 54 with their phone. When the recipient receives the ShareSpot, they can just click on the link and they can view the real-time tracking of the 54. InstaFence is also a really cool feature. If the 54 is stopped somewhere, InstaFence will send a notification to your phone or your smartwatch to let you know when the 54 is on the move. You can also select History to get a historical playback from the past few days. With its ultra-compact, waterproof design, built-in magnet, and long battery life, the 54's tracking possibilities are limitless. Anything the 54 can fit inside or attach to can be tracked. Keep the device in your vehicle, purse, or luggage, and you'll be able to locate your property in the event of a theft. If you want to make sure your child is getting to school safely, you can put the device inside their backpack or their jacket pocket, and you will receive notifications when they arrive safely at their destination. And how about your teen driver? Simply hide the 54 inside or attach underneath their vehicle to see exactly where they're sneaking off to at night. And if you suspect your partner of cheating, the 54 will tell all. So I hope this video provided some helpful information to convince you that the 54, with all its unique features and design, is the right product for you. Thanks for watching.